Hey guys, Backrana here, back with another video, and today we're going to be playing Agar.io. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you're new. Anyway, let's get into it. And so, for you guys that do not know what Agar.io is, it is a game where you basically eat pellets, which are these little things I'm eating right now, and then you grow bigger, and as you grow bigger, you can start to eat other players. Like, because you see Jelly, he can eat me because he's bigger than me. And that guy, the dragon, can also eat me. Oh, wait, those guys are way too big. I'm out. Oh, look, teams when he's cool. You're not cool. Anyway, so let's get back into another game. Whoa, that guy's big. Oh, dang it. Well, that was quick, wasn't it? Don't eat me. There's so many pellets here. It's just amazing. Hopefully I'm going to be able to get big, very big. It's pellets galore. Nom, nom, nom. Okay, that guy's big, but ooh, these things give you a lot, by the way. Oh, I can eat this guy if I get his little part of him. I'm gonna try to check him out. Aha. Yes, I'm gonna eat it. Aha. Right, now I need to kill him. Okay, maybe not. Glad I didn't, because I would be dead right now. That guy's small. Okay, let's just eat some pellets. Okay, this guy's big. Wait. Oh, dang it. Wait, he gave me some mass. I'm gonna do it too. Oh, we might be able to team. And no, that isn't cheating in this game. It is a strategy, so it's not like Fortnite or such and such. Anyway. Okay, I'm gonna give him some mass, and so... Oh, he almost at me. Right, now, gimme. Yay. Now I can eat part. Oh, wow, we're getting bigger. I've got 610 score. Look at that. Okay, well, I didn't get anyone, so I'm just gonna... Wow, that split me up quite a lot. Yes, money. Right, got a bit... Oh, he just exploded because he ate a virus. Oh, I'm bigger than these guys. I'm gonna try to eat. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll just get. Okay, Scar's big. I'm not going there. Right, you can eat this and eat. There you go. Eat. Okay. Wow, this is weird. Okay, I'm gonna eat some of this. Get bigger. Okay, good boy. Right, getting some more. Yes, this is good. Don't think about it, Banana Man. Okay. Eat. Oh, that's a lot of dots. Not lots of us. Hey, Bear, where do you think you're going? Stop eating. Oh, that guy's big, I think. Oh, yeah, wow, he is big. Wait, Bear Boy's big. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing, crap? dots. Hope that was how you pronounce his name. Ooh, insanity, please. Num num. Give me that. Oh, whatever. Right. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this. Oh wait, no, that's not good. Oh yes, dang it. Wait, literally his name is Russ. Right, come on, please, team. No, maybe, hopefully. Dang it. Oh, ow, wow. Ow. Right. Oh, I'm going daily quest. Yay. I got 50 coins and DNA. That's great. I couldn't ask for anything better. Right. Let's play. Num num. Right. Oh, that's a lot. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. He didn't eat me. Yay. Oh, okay. Yes, he did eat me. Dang it. Right. And no. Let's please. More classic. There we go. Now I've got my proper name. Give me that. There we go. Okay. Okay. Ooh, some fries. Wait. Ooh, no, I'm not going near him. He's big. Okay. Oh, wait, what's that? Is he big? Yep, he's big. Damn. And he's also big. Damn. Wow. I feel small. Right, the leaderboard. I'm 33rd, and I feel massive. That's not a good sign, is it? Yes. All the dots. Ooh. No, go away. Just go away. Please go away. Okay. Yes, could be the one where I get big. Oh, space, I can eat him. Oh, forget it, he's just gonna run away. I don't think that he can eat me. Oh wait, yes he can, he's bigger than me. Oh, please don't eat me. Okay, well I'm going to check out one of these other game modes. Right, I'll be back. There we go. It's just about to start now. And it started. Ooh. Gonna hide inside this thing. You kidding me? It eats you. Okay, well that wasn't very good. Let's try that again. Oh, it won't be too long until it's ready, hopefully. Oh yeah, battle starting in 10 seconds. Right, anyway. Okay. Eat all food. Okay, so I know not to go in that now. And I swear, wow. What place was I? 17. Highest plus 20. Okay, hopefully I do better this round. I'm going to make a bet. If I don't get top 3, I will end the video. Okay. So anyway, let's start with... We'll start by waiting, obviously, but... So starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Survive. Right, let's start off by getting some food. Nom nom. Safe area shrinking in 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh, so that's the safe area, the green. And so I'm guessing safe area shrinking. So I'm guessing like a barrier or something will come in and kill me if I touch it. So I need to stay in the green dots until... Well, yeah, I do too. Right, anyway. Eat, 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 eat. Okay, that guy's bigger than me. Go away, please. Thank you. Right. It's going to get bigger. Addo YouTube. You think you're bigger than me. Well, you might have a bigger channel than me. But if so, let's change that. Like and subscribe. Wink, wink. You know? Okay. Sorry. 83, 85, 88. I'm getting loads of points. Okay. Oh, I can eat him. Oh, he's got bigger, but hopefully I can catch him, because hopefully... Oh, come on, I'm so close. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh, I almost died. I am dead. Oh, no, he barely couldn't eat me. Oh, I'm actually top 8. I might have to end the video. I didn't think I was make it this far, honestly. Well, yeah, I can see there's 6 players left actually, but the red is coming in, so yeah, that's probably the area. Wow, dot's big. Big dot. Can't get me. Look, eat the virus then. Oh, he actually didn't kill me. Oh, pro team. Wait, I'm not gonna. Wait. He's gonna definitely try to kill me. Ooh, wait, I'll try to eat that actually. Wait, yeah, I will. Oh, dang it. Come on, you can't fall into me. Yes. Come on, Matty09. Well, they're in the protein beaters. Oh, I'm top 5. Well, I'm just gonna stay on the edge. So, hopefully... 4. Wait. Come on. Go to safe area. Yep. First, I'm gonna get some... nice. I don't want to risk dying to the area. Yes. Right, oh, no, not you again, Dollar Dot. Okay, please demotivate, damn it. You're gonna get killed, aren't you? Yeah, he's got killed. Uh-oh, dang it. Oh, I got top 3. I'm actually gonna have to end the video. Well, I did better than I was expecting, so that's a positive. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.